morning. Well, the original plan for today was to drive to Østerveld and do the Four Falls Trail. It's a bit of a mouthful. Unfortunately, due to some admin issues that I have to do this afternoon, I've only got a couple of hours to spare and not the whole day. So, in keeping with the theme of water for today, I decided to stay local, sort of very local in fact, and do a quick walk up and down, well, you can probably hear it, the Afon Lwyd river when it runs through the village I grew up in, Llanarafon. I know there's some weirs on this section of the water, of the river, so we should be able to get some nice shots. Hopefully use the filters, slow the water down a bit, and see what we can get out of it. So, let's go, come and find some water. So I've walked upriver from the car, we're past the main weir, spotted a few nice potential places on the way up. We're not going to go any further than this. I quite like the look at this here, so we're going to set up and see what we can get. It's actually shooting, believe it or not, the sun is up there, but I quite like the way the water's reflecting the light. So we'll get the tripod nice and low and see what we can do across this waterfall. So, let's do it. Okay, we got the shot there. Not sure how successful it's going to be. We did manage to blur the water, but I think we're shooting with the sun up there, and we were pretty much shooting into it. I couldn't really get the settings I wanted, even on manual. So, anyway, we'll see how it comes out. Right, got another little composition here. I'm going to use this rock in the middle of the river as a lead in. Got a line in the foreground across the river to the other side. Try and blur this water. The only problem we've got is that there is the ledge we've got to stand on with the tripod. So let's see if we can get this one in the bag. So this is the main weir I came to look for. Not massive, I know. The only trouble is around here, with it being on a village and near the town, and kids being kids, you get shopping trolleys, you get rope swings. So, trying to find a shot that works. Like the last one, I could balance down on the rocks here, I suppose, and get under the ropes. Well, I was hoping to use this tree. Maybe I still will. Maybe the ropes will lend themselves to it. So let's see what we can get out of this one. Right, that's us done for the day. Only had a couple of hours, so I think I got a few good shots in the bag. This was more about trying out the new Formatt Hitech filters that I purchased while I was home. I think they came out okay. So anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, and the other one that I keep forgetting about, Elliot tells me, notifications, and we'll do some more soon. Catch you later.